One of the factors that differentiates Zakta from other search engines is your ability as a user to personalize and save the results so that you don't have to start your search from scratch each time. We call this creating a guide at Zakta. This page features some of the guides that have been created by previous Zakta users. I'm going to click on this one, for example, and a guide about Scott Adams, the creator of Dilbert, shows you it has a title, a description, and then all of the links have been organized into various sections: reference, websites, books and articles, and so forth. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of 3 separate ways to create a guide at Zakta. I'm going to click back to the home page, and the first approach is simply to use the search function. So let's say that I'm interested in Oprah Winfrey, and I'm going to ask Zakta to find results about Oprah Winfrey. You'll see that it has already organized my results into categories that are featured here on the left. And as I scroll down the page, the reference links are in the reference section, the websites are under the website category. I have images here, I have videos, and under each section I can click on more, and Zakta will bring back more links within that category. And I can edit these the way that I want. Let's say that I'm not interested in this link. I'm going to click on the delete button and it will remove the result. And I can also reorder simply by dragging and dropping using the drag and drop icon here on my editing results. Now when I'm ready to save these results into a Zakta guide, I scroll back to the top of the page and I click on Share These Results. The next page, I'm going to give a title. Let's call this Oprah Winfrey. And Zakta lets me use these checkboxes to choose the sections that I'd like to include in my guide. So I want reference, websites, images, videos, and books. And it's already recognized Oprah as a celebrity and given me this template. There are dozens of templates to choose from here, as you can see, but I'm going to return to celebrity. And then I can check out of the sections that I don't want. It's also suggested some other topics, and let's say I want criticisms and controversies. When I've chosen the sections that I want to include, I simply click on Create New Guide, and Zakta will bring me to a page where my draft guide is waiting for me, and then I can edit and personalize the results in a way that makes sense to me. So here's my guide about Oprah Winfrey. You'll notice that the reference links are under the reference section. The websites are included here. I have images, I have videos, and I can use the same functions here. I can drag and drop even from section to section. I can reorder. I can move the sections around if I want to too. And I can use these editing tools to make this as personal a guide as I want. Now the great thing is that all of the changes are automatically saved. So if I scroll over here to my Zakta and I click on My Guides, you'll see that my Oprah Winfrey guide, even though it's unpublished, is still available to me. And when I click on it, it takes me right back to where I left off, so that I don't have to start the search from scratch, and I can simply go in here and start editing and updating the guide in a way that makes sense to me. The editing and enhancing features are covered in a separate tutorial, and in 2 other tutorials, I'll show you how to create guides 2 other ways, one by using the guide editor, and one for more advanced users with our expert guide creator. So I hope that you consider using this Zakta guide feature to save your results and personalize them in a way that makes sense to you.